recipes.
This quick tip is moving the sprite diagonally.
So this is how it looks. So wow, nice view. Do you know why moving diagonally is such a big deal? Because Scratch Jr. only allows us to go right, left, up and down. But you do not worry, I have a secret here which I am gonna share with you now. I have already added a backdrop, a cat and 2 green flags. Now I want it to move to the left. So we'll take the left block and let's see how it is. So it only moves to the left. We are gonna change this number into 5. And then while it is moving to the left, I also want it to move up. So I'll take even the up block and also make it 5. And now let's see how it works. Ta-da! Now you have learned how to move diagonally. That's the tip for today.
This